Ever wondered if animals are capable of surprising feats that even humans can achieve? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on an intriguing journey that will challenge your perception of the animal kingdom. We've compiled a list of the top 10 mind-blowing facts about animals, each more surprising than the last. From astounding navigation skills to extraordinary memory prowess, these creatures put even the most advanced human abilities to shame. So get ready to be amazed by the wonders of the animal kingdom. Starting our countdown, did you know that birds have an extraordinary sense of direction? These feathered navigators can cover thousands of miles during their migratory journeys without losing their way. This is not a small feat, especially considering the vast open skies they traverse. Their secret? It's a combination of utilizing the sun, stars, Earth's magnetic fields, and even their sense of smell. It's like they have a built-in compass and map. Yes, no GPS required for these feathered friends. Next, let's talk about the incredible memory of elephants. Elephants demonstrate an extraordinary ability to remember. Their brain, which is the largest among land animals, stores essential information, helping them survive. They can recall places with abundant food and water, even if they haven't visited them in years. This is crucial during dry seasons when resources become scarce. But it's not just locations. Elephants also remember their companions. If an elephant crosses paths with another they've met before, even if it was decades ago, they'll recognize each other. This deep social memory helps them maintain complex matriarchal societies. So the saying, "an elephant never forgets," does hold a lot of truth. Moving on, did you know dolphins have their own language? Yes, you heard that right. These intelligent marine creatures communicate using a series of clicks, whistles, and body movements. Every dolphin has a unique whistle that it uses to identify itself, like a name. They even use different frequencies and volumes to express different emotions or alert others to danger. Dolphins can understand the difference between more and less, and show the ability to understand symbols for various words. They are even known to mimic human actions, showing a high level of comprehension and communication ability. It's fascinating, isn't it? It seems like they have more to talk about than just fish. Next up, how about living for centuries? Turtles can do that. Picture this. Some species of turtles can outlive us humans by a long shot, boasting a lifespan of over 150 years. Imagine the history they've seen, the changes they've witnessed. From the giant tortoises of the Galapagos Islands to the Aldabra giant tortoise, these resilient reptiles have truly mastered the art of longevity. So, if there's ever a secret to a long life, we might just have to ask a turtle. Talk about a long life. At number 6, we have the octopus, one of the smartest creatures in the sea. These 8-armed invertebrates are not just about strength, they're about brains too. Imagine this. An octopus can actually solve puzzles. Yes, you heard it right. They've been observed in laboratories manipulating objects and opening containers to get to their meals. They even use tools to defend themselves or find food. It's like they have their own underwater toolkit. Brains and brawn. The octopus has it all. Halfway through, let's talk about man's best friend and their superpower, their sense of smell. A dog's nose is a marvel, boasting up to 300 million olfactory receptors, compared to a mere 6 million in humans. This gives our canine companions an ability to smell things we can't even begin to imagine. They can detect certain diseases, find missing people, and even sniff out hidden explosives. Their sense of smell is truly extraordinary. No wonder they make excellent search and rescue animals. Flying into number 4, did you know bats can see in the dark? Yes, they can. Bats are masters of a unique skill known as echolocation. They emit high-frequency sounds which bounce back off objects in their environment, creating a sonic map of their surroundings. This is how they navigate the darkest of nights and find their food. Imagine that. Navigating the world without ever having to turn on a light. Talk about energy efficiency? Who needs night vision goggles when you're a bat? Crawling into number 3, spiders spin a web stronger than steel. It's almost unfathomable, isn't it? But it's true. Spider silk, pound for pound, is 5 times stronger than steel of the same diameter. This means that if we had a strand of spider silk as thick as a pencil, it could potentially stop a Boeing 747 in flight. It's an amazing testament to the power of nature's engineering. Next time you walk into a spider web, remember you just walked into a super strong trap. Almost at the top, at number 2, ants are the superheroes of the insect world. These tiny creatures possess a strength that is nothing short of extraordinary. Imagine being able to lift something that's 50 times your own body weight. For ants, this is a daily reality. They use this impressive strength to carry food, build their colonies, and protect their queen. This superpower comes from their small size and highly muscular structure, enabling them to support heavy loads. So the next time you see an ant, remember, you're looking at one of nature's most powerful weightlifters. It's like seeing a human lift a car single-handedly. Now that's a marvel. In the insect world, ants are the true strongmen. And now the most mind-blowing fact about animals. Prepare to be startled because this one's a real doozy. In the vast and diverse animal kingdom, one fact stands out for its sheer surprise factor and uniqueness. The kangaroo, an iconic symbol of Australia, can't walk. That's right, you heard me correctly. These creatures, known for their powerful hind legs and incredible leaping abilities, are physically incapable of moving their legs independently while on land. Instead, they rely on a hopping motion to get around. This is because their muscular legs and large feet are designed for speed and power, not for slow, measured steps. It's a fascinating adaptation that shows just how diverse and intricate the animal kingdom truly is. So the next time you see a kangaroo, remember this surprising fact and marvel at the wonder of nature's incredible design. And there you have it, the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze. That brings us to the end of our journey through the animal kingdom. We've navigated with birds, remembered with elephants, spoken with dolphins, aged with turtles, learned with octopuses, sniffed out with dogs, located with bats, spun webs with spiders, and lifted with ants. Thanks for joining this wild ride. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.